Hi, I am Pranab Sarkar. I have been associated with Indian Association of Tour Operators from 2002, and I have worked under three presidents of IATO, past president, and that is two past president. One was Mr. Maharaj Vahi and another was Mr. Vijay Thakur, and currently two terms I have worked with Mr. Goel. I had the opportunity to learn a lot in IATO, and being secretary for last 2 years, I have delivered a lot in the association. Previously also I have been in the association in various posts, and I have proved myself by way of delivering the work, and because of that Mr. Goel has nominated me this year election as president for IATO, and I feel that with the experience I have in the past I will be able to deliver. I have done it before also with the ministry. The association is very cordial, and our reputation with the ministries are very nice, with airlines, with railways. We are conducting various meetings. If I give you the meetings we have conducted last 1 year, there were 175 meetings we have handled by all the five office bearers. Between all the five office bearers, we have shared the meeting and we have contributed. Being the secretary, my job was not to handle the office, but office was handled by the office staff and the general manager of the office and the ED. But my prime job was to discuss the key issues of the industry with the ministries, prepare some papers. We fought many various points against the industry where we were hit by, whether it was tax, whether it was visas, whether it was the entrance fees to the monuments, whether it was baggage issue with the airlines. We have handled it very properly. We are successful in getting 25 kilos with Air India. We are successful in implementing the e-visas. We are successful in various taxation. We are still fighting with the ministries, and lately we are able to defer the ASI monument fees, plus we are able to reduce it to the 50% of the proposed hike. There are many issues, I don't want to take them, but the key major issues we have done. If I am being selected, I am being elected by my members, then we have all the pending works to be completed, and the key work is that we should fight for the reduction in tax, or if not, then the benefit should come in our industry what other industries are also getting. Secondly, we have issues of better trained guides. We want to work on that. We are also trying to include in the Skill India program for the vocational training to get the trained manpower for our industry. We want to inclusive with the government for the Startup India, the young and new entrepreneurs, to help them and bring them in the stream for Startup India. We are already under Make in India. With the government, we would like to be more proactive that our industry comes under Make in India and benefits should come. So these are the key programs we are feeling, and I am a team player. Therefore, I would expect all the membership to join hands, give their inputs, and we shall be able to take IATO in a greater height. I request you all to support me, my team, and make us winners so that our team can deliver as we did in the past. Thank you very much.